Go. This is my face before the hike.
Mga oto-oto dyan.
We're going to Sequoia National Park today. We're gonna hike! Good morning! First stop, Winco. Sa Sequoia. Pero hindi ko alam yung map. Got our good.
Matulog na kayo? Hindi. Kasi...
Maria 211A. Di man masyado. Drive-thru. Ano? Ay. Stop over.
May passcode ba yun?
Wala. Nag-caramel macchiato lang.
Extra shot ba? Lasang gatas. Parang hindi ko masarap. Hindi, wala siyang kape.
Imuha na lang i-pause up.
Wow! Oh, pusit! For that one. Okay.
We're here. And we're here. And we're here. And we're here.
Daan lang yan. Ghost stories daw, ghost stories. So kami ako
What happened, Bella? Why are you crying, Bella?
Vampire.
I'm a vampire.
Edward.
Dili, sa Seattle.
Ano siya man thing? Parang
Oh, papasok pa tayo. Yeah, magpunta tayo mag-Bass Pros unya. Ano?
7 again.
Anong hanap mo na ibang?
Ano ba?
Sizes. Upstairs.
Yeah, the road.
Dili sa road, dili gito ganyan. Beer. Nga pray.
Nay, kuan.
Ano naman yung ginay?
Nay, lion.
Survival naman.
Dapat 0.5, please.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Ah, ito na yung black.
You daw.
So, 3 labas. Uy, grabe ba? Wala.
Nag-post siya. Sayang.
Okay, hindi. Mag-agad
Wala na.
na.
Excuse me. Try mo daw. Ay, nagagalaw di ayos ito.
Careful. I noted.
Sa gitna ka mag-jump.
1.
Baka pwede ko ipalapit.
That. Wag na. Hello, White Lotus. Nakaway mo.
Go. Careful.
Katniss, show me your power! Power!
Kadali lang. Mambak lang rin si Jet. Wait.
This is my face before the hike.
Hey, this is my face before the hike.
This is my face before the hike.
This is my face before the hike. This is my face before the hike.
This is me in the middle of the hike.
This is me in the middle of the hike.
This is me in the middle of the hike.
And you're watching. This is me in the middle of the hike.
Wingardium Leviosa.
This is me in the middle of the hike.
Mga oto-oto dyan ako. Joke lang. Joke lang. Nagatingin to sa atin.
This is me after 5 hours and 30 minutes of hiking.
This is me after the 5-hour hike. This is me after the 5-hour and 30 minutes hiking.
This is me after 5 hours of hiking.
This is me after the 7 miles train.
Mukbang. Mukbang isa sa mga masarap ko na spam musubi na natikman. Yeah. Oh,
Sino makasearch ng food area?
Food.
thank you Jed sa bagong necklace ko.
Nice. That's $3.
Siya pa na ganun. Isa pa, wala.
Yung ginawa ni Ate Maymay. Very proud.
Nung...
Oh,
Wala, kaya na. Pinakamahirap. Yung sa pabalik.
no, yun yung sabi ni Kuya Jack.
Heavy mo yung body kay... Oh.
Ano natin sa bangin ba?
Birds singing.
Pila na siya ka-quadri pasulod?
Miles? Yeah, but you're like 1 hour.
I mean, sa baba
5,000
siya.
feet man tayo. Or 6 ata.
6,500.
Tapos nakabot tayo ng 7,000 sa peak natin.
Nag-isa pa yung gusto niya. Napakuha yung
Stop over. Bass Bros. Wow! May bear doon, no? Mas nice of him, boy. It's only $9 and $5 to decide to buy this. Remembrance. So cheap. You know? It's so cheap. Yeah, meron bitaw. May koi. Asan pala? Sa second floor ang restroom? Ah, yun.
Yes, we check.
Yeah. Sa small plate siguro.
Actually, mainit na dito. Kasya naman natin.
Kain doon kayo na parang